into the last regulation, medyo yung Mapua, they're winning. So ano yung thoughts pa na nakabalik kayo nito?
Of course, every time you play Mapua, may Clintis Camis tsaka sila Cuenco. But those guys won't give up. So, I have to give it to our boys for playing yung defense until the end, even during the overtime. At the end of the fourth and during the overtime. So, sabi ko nga we might be struggling offensively. But we might be losing games also in the first round. But throughout the first round, the only thing that has been saving us was our defense. I'd like to believe that if the stats nga, we're the #1 defensive team. So sabi ko, our execution will follow. So kahit paano during overtime, we were able to execute. Naka 10 points kami ng overtime. So yun lang. It's just our calling card and our mentality and the identity that we want to build is yung defense namin.
Ano naman sabi kay Yuki na stepping up yung
sa wakas, kasi last game against Perpetual, nahirapan siya makashoot, hindi lang tumushoot but also yung other aspect ng game niya. Alam naman natin si Yuki, whether he misses shots or he makes them, he's still gonna shoot them. And he knows that he has that green light from us. As long as he catches the ball right and balance siya. Minsan nga ako pa nagsabi sa kanya, ba't di mo tinira? Tira mo na yun. Diba? So, mataas yung of course, tiwala ko dun kay Yuki.
Coach, yung last play of regulation po ninyo kay Stanford, was that planned po or talagang nakikita lang?
Meron talaga siyang fake handoff. So, option yung pag sumama yung dalawa kay Pai, may fake handoff siya. Buti na lang, maganda yung timing ng cross screen ni Eman. Kala nila kay Bismarck kami pupunta. At it was a good read by Penny. It was a good read kasi he could have just held on that ball. Pero nakita nga niya may lane siya. So good read on him.
Coach, kahit 1-1 lang to, 3-game winning streak na kayo tapos just 1 win, parang kumbaga nag-iba kagad yung complexion ng ladder. So ano lang thoughts mo, Coach, na heading into the second round, may pondo kayo for the second round?
Well, sabi ko nga sa players, sa teams, to the whole team, even before yung veteran game namin, kasi yung next games namin, those are the teams above us it's just another opportunity for us to be able to better yung standing namin and forget about what happened in the past, yung losses to EAC and AU. And sabi ko, hindi tayo pinapabayaan ng Diyos kasi nga lagi tayong bibigyan opportunity and kailangan i-take advantage natin yun. So one game at a time, you're saying, oh, here's another opportunity for us. Now we're playing Perpetual again in Mapua. So just one game at a time, being grateful for the opportunity that's given every time to us. Mabait pa rin yung Diyos sa amin.
Coach, you mentioned po before that the margin that you're targeting is around 60 and you were able to hold Mapua around that number when it comes to defense. Pero nag-overtime, that's why nasa 70. Satisfied kayo, Coach, when it comes to performance or heading to the second round, there's more press when it comes to defense?
We still had lapses, especially in the first half. Sabi ko nga, we fouled shooters I think 3 times. And that's just not good defense. It's we need to be more disciplined and not fouling those shooters. 3 shooter yata final namin and I have to give it to Mapua. Talagang marunong sila. They know how to sell yung pag pina-foul mo yung mga jump shooters niya. Yung second quarter nga, we gave up 22. So that's because of those fouls. I think yung mga foul niya, 6 free throws kagad yun. Diba? And then we left si Cuenco isang 3 points. So yun, medyo masakit yun. Pero yung sabi ko nga, yung mga shoot nila is Camis na 1-on-1. We have to give it to them. As long as we play honestly and they make tough shots, that's fine with me. It's just the discipline that we have kailangan na ma-instill namin and strengthen it coming into the second round where teams are now naghahabol na talaga for wins and important na yung every game for us.
Coach, yung experience yung OT against Benin, did it serve it well today? Kasi na-overtime din kayo nung second game, just the second game.
Hindi lang naman yung OT with Benil ang good experience for us in today's game. Even the execution ng mga last part ng mga games against AU, we could have done better execution-wise. Yung sa EEC hindi kasi tinambakan kami. Pero yung mga games yan, even yung close games against Lutran and Perpetual, medyo we learned a lot from our execution at the other side, sa offensive side ng court. So I think kahit paano there was 1% improvement for me in this game is good. This execution namin ngayon.
Coach, going back to yun nga, Mapua, this is your final game of the first round. Final say match din. Do you expect na ganito sila kagigil going up against you guys?
Of course, always, pagkalabang Mapua. I was telling my players diba, what to expect para mentally coming to the game. Diba? Sabi ko, you have to be tough, you have to be mentally smart also kasi syempre hindi ayaw naman natin na nagkakapisikal, napipikon kayo, and you have to be strong with the ball every time, hindi pwedeng lalambot-lambot ka. Yun.
Coach, si Ben Estacio,
Coach, good showing both ends of the floor. Masasabi niyo po bang slowly na nakikita niyo na yung peak niyo or meron ko pa bang hinahanap?
Malayo pa kami, but getting there much better now. Hopefully after 9 games, naka-adjust na lahat sa NCAA style of play and dun sa system na susubukan namin. Saka of course the NCAA atmosphere. So sabi ko nga,